Welcome to CrossPLANE Nation. I have a 2019 Raptor 700, brand new, and what we're going to do is we're actually going to do a decibel test with the spark arrestor inside the can, see what it registers, turn around and remove the spark arrestor, see if it makes any difference as far as sound. Let's fire it up. Alright, you can see it kind of hovers around anywhere from 95 to about 97. Okay, to remove the spark arrestor, there are going to be 1, 2, 3 of these guys that you're going to need to remove. You're going to need some kind of Allen key or an Allen wrench. Simply remove that. Alright, to get this end cap off, you're going to need to get some kind of rubber mallet here. Just kind of... Alright, so there's going to be 4 bolts that you're going to remove. I've already removed them. Take the little retainer piece off, and then your spark arrestor comes right out, and then all you have to do is you need to put this guy back on so the end cap goes onto the exhaust. Okay, we have everything bolted down. We're ready to put the cap on. Slide this over. When you're putting the end cap back on, it may go on a little too far. You just might have to back it out a little bit with the mallet. Okay, we have the spark arrestor out. We're ready to fire this up, see if it made a difference or not.